Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add a TV remote control to your home screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use the SmartThings app to add a TV remote widget to your home screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here first, we need to go ahead and open up the SmartThing. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign and you want to go ahead and find your TV. So here we'll go ahead and search for TV. Make sure your TV is on and is connected to the Wi-Fi and go ahead and scan it here. Once it finds it, go ahead and tap on this and then connect to your device. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and press home. Now you can go ahead and long press on the home screen, tap on widgets, scroll down until you see SmartThings, which is right here. Tap on this, scroll down again, and then find the screen remote. So you have a 2x2 or a 4x2. So you can go ahead and choose whatever you like. Tap on add. And then go ahead and choose your location. Here you'll see your TV show up. If it is online, tap on it and then press done. And then you'll be able to see your TV remote control widget on your home screen. So you can control your TV without searching for the remote. It makes your phone the central smart home hub. So there you go guys, that is how to add the TV remote control to your home screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.